Hello and welcome to BrainBridge UPSC. I am Vaibhav Kulshrestha and this is answer writing program series for Geography GS. And this is the 22nd question of this series. And the question is describing the distribution of rubber producing countries indicates their major environmental issues. So in this question, we have to write about distribution of rubber producing countries. It means कौन कौन से countries हैं जहाँ पर rubber produce होता है and what are the major environmental issues in those countries. This is the second part which is asked in the question. So in introduction part, we will write about rubber producing countries or rubber production. So here in answer format, we can write about rubber production because this question is related to geography. So in which kind of conditions, which type of climates rubber is produced. So we will provide it within one or two lines. This would be the introduction. Then there would be two lines or two part. First is about distribution of rubber production countries and second ecological issues in those countries, and then in conclusion there would be a summary part, a positive of futuristic अच्छी अच्छी सी बात. Now come to introduction. Rubber production is concentrated in a specific region of the world, primarily in tropical climate. The main rubber producing countries are Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, India, Malaysia and China. These countries face several major environmental issues due to rubber cultivation and production. So this is the introduction part. Now come to the main body. Distribution of rubber producing countries. First, थाईलैंड, और इसी में हमने यहाँ पर प्रोवाइड किया एसोसिएटेड एनवायरमेंटल कंसर्न. ठीक है, तो थाईलैंड में रबर प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है एंड ऑल्सो एसोसिएटेड एनवायरमेंटल कंसर्न क्या क्या है, तो आप इस तरीके से भी दे सकते हो. डिफॉरेस्टेशन, rubber plantation contribute to deforestation leading to loss of biodiversity because peoples are cutting their forest and planting the rubber plant so that उनका economic फायदा हो. Soil degradation, intensive rubber cultivation can cause soil erosion and nutrient depletion. Third is water pollution. Use of agrochemicals in rubber plantation can lead to contamination of water sources. Second, Indonesia. Deforestation and habitat loss. Conversion of rainforest to rubber plantation threatens wildlife habitat and biodiversity. Second, peatland degradation. Rubber plantation on peatland contribute to greenhouse gas emission and subsistence. Third is pollution. Agrochemical use in rubber farming can lead to water and soil pollution. So almost एक ही जैसे environmental concern आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. वियतनाम again deforestation, soil erosion, water resource stress. In India again biodiversity loss because of rubber cultivation in forested areas leads to habitat destruction, loss of biodiversity. You can also write about deforestation. So soil health would be poor. Continuous rubber farming can degrade the soil quality and lead to erosion. Water pollution, pesticide, fertilizers which are used in rubber plants can contaminate water bodies. Similarly, in Malaysia, again deforestation, soil degradation, water quality, these are the major ecological issues. In China, again land use change, conversion of diverse ecosystem to rubber plantation affects biodiversity and ecosystem services. Soil would be degraded. Water scarcity, irrigation for rubber plantation can contribute to local water scarcity. So these are the major ecological issues in rubber producing countries of the world. Now, common environmental issues in rubber producing countries. इन सब में हमें जो कॉमन मिल रहा है उनको हमने एक जगह यहाँ पर नोट कर लिया है। जैसे क्या है, डिफॉरेस्टेशन, सॉइल डिग्रेडेशन, वाटर पॉल्यूशन, लॉस ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी, ग्रीन हाउस गैस एमिशन, social and economic issues. Land conversion for rubber plantation can lead to displacement of local communities and loss of livelihood, leading to social conflicts and economic challenges. So these are the common environmental issues which you can write separately. एक तो तरीका ये हो सकता है कि आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पहले बता दीजिए कहाँ कहाँ पर है, फिर उसके बाद आप और उसमें भी आप चाहें तो इकोनॉमिक डेटा भी दे सकते हो, या फिर दूसरा तरीका ये हो सकता है कि यहाँ पर जैसे मैंने रबर प्रोड्यूसिंग कंट्रीज विद एसोसिएटेड एनवायरमेंटल कंसर्न उसको दिखाया है, तो या तो ये आइदर वन या फिर आइदर वन में भी आप नेम यूज कर लो, और टू टू में आपका जो कंसर्न है एनवायरमेंटल इश्यूज हैं वो आ जाएंगे। ना कम टू द कंक्लूजन, efforts to mitigate these environmental issues, including promoting sustainable rubber production practices such as agroforestry, organic farming, and the use of eco-friendly agrochemicals. Additionally, implementing strict land use policies and conservation measures can help balance rubber production with environmental conservation. So, this would be the answer of the question. If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe, and also provide your precious feedback in the comment box. Thank you.